Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your display name on Yidio. So let's go ahead and jump in straight into the video. First of all, launch open your web browser and go to yidio.com and press enter on a keyboard. You'll end up in the official website of Yidio, from where you'll need to sign in to your existing account. After you are logged in, mouse over to your profile picture at the top right and click on Accounts from the list. You will then be taken to your account settings page. Simply go ahead and get to the first name text box and type in your first name you'd like to change to, replacing the previous one. You can also go ahead and change your last name, and finally click on the Save Changes button at the bottom so that you can change your display name on yidio.com. So that's how it can be easily done within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.